I know making money on Twitter is one of the things you always wanted to do. That's why you click on this video. Don't worry, I'm going to show you this method that will allow you to make money on Twitter. But before we proceed, if today is your first time of visiting my channel, my name is Joshdehustler, and in this channel, I teach you guys ways to make money online. So if this is what you are interested in, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. In that case, you will get notified whenever I publish a new video like this. Without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, what you guys to do is to create out a Twitter account for us to begin this process. When you create out a Twitter account, you guys to give it your profile, put in your profile picture and your background stuff, and make some posts in the account. Don't worry, if you don't have much subscriber on the account or followers on the account, you can still make money with this strategy that I'm going to share in the last video. So watch this video continuously to the end for you not to miss any particular place that can value to you. So once you are through with creating an account, then we got to divert to the second website that we use right here in this video, and the name of the website is called CPA Grip. CPA Grip is a platform that allows you to monetize your several application or your social media. What it means is CPA Grip means cost per action. Cost per action simply means that whatever the person attacks or whatever the person does in the link you provided, you make money. So what you guys to do next is to do what? To create account on CPA Grip. So right here, what is required from you to create account on CPA Grip? It requires you to create having your name, your last name, your company name, your website, and a lot of documents right here. So once you have created your account, what you have to do next is to log into your account. So guys, once you have created your account display will looks like this, and you will have a zero balance, which you are going to do what? Acquire money and start making cash out from this platform. You can also set in your documents if you wish, or you can start making money whenever you want to cash out. You set in your documents, and here is where the payment notice is, where you guys to put in your payment stuff and saving your payment method. If you want to receive your payment through Payoneer, Global Bank Transfer, PayPal, and a lot of them, you can receive your payment there. But that's by the way, what you are here is to make money. So what I have to go now is to go over to offer tools. When you go over to offer tools, there is what we see here, my offer, smart link, and RXX. Don't worry about those ones. What you are going to choose right now is my offer. Once you click on the offer, it will show this thing right here, and in the country you are in, it will definitely showcase Nigeria. So once it showcases Nigeria has lesser amounts of money that are being showcased or being paid out in that categories. So what you guys to do next is to go over to Nigeria and choosing Australia. Put it in Australia. Australia has a higher amount of payout in their country. So if I click on Australia right here, it will load. You guys will see right here that we have payout of $10 per action in this platform. And what you guys to choose in, which you guys to choose in any particular offer that suits our needs. And you guys will see right here, claim your addict $500 vocal now. And you know that a lot of people want to make money in this actual aspect of condition we are bypassing right now, and you can definitely use this opportunity to make that money. So what you have to do now is to click on this. So when you click on this, it will show you the actual store and when it was added on May 18, 2023. And here is enter your mobile number for a chance to win. So this is it, just to enter your number and they will do what? Win. So what you have to do next is to copy this actual link and save in your notes. So I'm going to copy this actual link right now and then open my note to save it. So when I save that in my notes, I'm going to move out from my notes and then check out in this platform. What you guys also do is to copy this actual stuff, copy this, claim your 500 vocal now, and then also save that in your notes. To go over to this third website, which is ChatGPT. We are going to instruct ChatGPT to write a short note or short promotional note regards to use to promote this actual link in that platform. So I'm going to go right here in ChatGPT and then open a new tab and then write in. So we right here, this is it. Write me a professional post with this which is claim your $500 vocal now in 20 words. That will make it currently write it in a shorter form so that you guys to see it in your Twitter tweets. So I'm going to do what, send that. So guys, you see it right here. Exclusive offer, secure your 508 vocal today. Limited availability. Don't miss out on sensational saving. Grab now, grab yours now. Blah 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 blah. I don't care to know what is that. So I'm going to do what? Copy this and save in my notes also. So what I ask to do next is to shorten this actual URL, because if you paste it that way, people can definitely confirm where it's coming from. So I'm going to make it hidden to the society or to the audience. So I'm going to open another tab and type in short URL, then paste in this actual URL to shorten it. So guys, you see right here that the URL is now shortened. Let me copy it to check whether it's active. Okay guys, you see that the URL is active right now and it's working. So I'm going to go out from here and then go over to my node to set it properly. Then I had to do what? Save this well. So what I had to do next is to copy this URL and then go over to my Twitter to paste that. So I'm going to go over to Twitter right now and then create out a post. When I create out a post, what I have to do is to paste in this URL. Then when I paste this URL, it will not definitely grab attention. What I have to do next is to go back to the site to copy or to save in those pictures of the actual offer. So I'm going to go straight to the site right now and save this actual offer. So let me save it on my stuff. Then I'm going to go back to Twitter to paste that picture right there. So guys, you see right here that the picture is now looking nice. Don't worry, there is a lot of things you guys to do. So follow me to the end. I'm going to paste and save this out. So guys, you see that this actual stuff is now being uploaded and people will definitely rush to check it out and see how it looks like. So we have done with the Twitter. What you guys to do is to do the fourth actual website we are going to use. Like I said before, I say that if you don't have followers on your account or you recently created, don't worry, we are going to also show you what to do to get traffic and get people to click on the link and make you money. So what you guys to make use of right now is called this website called You Like Hits. I've talked about this website before on my videos. If you haven't checked it out, you can go and check it out right now and watch how I did it. So what you guys to do right here is to acquire coin. You guys see right here, I acquire coin. You guys see I have it's 8 coins. So I'm going to use that 8 coin to promote this Twitter post or retweet this actual post in this platform. So I'm going to go over to this place, say add and edit site. So if I go over there, I click on Twitter, then I move into this actual place called retweets. I go over to retweet, click on retweet. So when I click on retweets, they will ask you something to do. You guys to do something right here. Add tweet to be retweeted and like. First click on this tab on the tweet to find a similar URL. So this is the number we got to copy from our retweet. So I'm going to go back to my Twitter. When I go back to my Twitter, I have to click on this actual post I just posted and boom guys, you guys will see that the number is right here. You guys will see it up here in the browser. So I'm going to copy this action number. When I copy this number, I got to go over to the site to paste this action number right here. So when I paste this action number, what I had to do is to add in these tweets. So guys, you guys see that the tweet is now being added. What this does is to promote this actual tweet for people to retweet it in their accounts, and the more retweets you are getting, the more people are seeing it, and the more impressions are coming to your tweet, and people are liking it. Definitely, if you are verified on Twitter, also you can also get people to watching your ad and make you more money in the procedure, and also using this platform or using this procedure to also make money in the platform. And that's it for today's video. I believe this action method was for you and you've been able to understand how to do this and make money from it. And if you really enjoyed the video, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button down below to get subscribed, and turn on your post notification bell icon to get notified when I drop a new video like this. Thank you for watching, and see you some other time.